Hello, my name is Kelvin. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Germany. Um, I'm currently working on a Nextcloud-like project to build a cloud website with Python that can be hosted very, very easily. You can see it here. It is hosted at my local machine, and I will show you the first barely working version just to document some progress here. So we can to test the thing, we can create a user, and this is not secured yet. So new user. There we can create a user. We name him Kelvin.e and 1, 2, 3, 4. Group is default. So I can log in with Kelvin.e. I will type a wrong password just to show you that it's not working. And the passwords are hashed so that it's barely secure. So, yeah, now we are on this not found start page. This is, we can ignore that because we want to go to /priv Kelvin.e. And now we have a simple file structure. In this file structure, there's nothing, just like you can see. So we can upload a file. Yeah, it's German for me. So I will just upload something. I guess this is my GitHub profile picture. Yeah, it's not found yet because there are some troubles. It works on Linux machines, but not on Windows. I can show you. I have programmed a system that's like that for my school class, private folder. I have, yeah, you can see. So this works. Oh no, we can create folders. Lol test, and yeah, there's lol test. This doesn't work because I haven't implemented the uploads function yet, but this I can copy and paste this for another project that I did. And yeah, that's a very, very simple cloud system yet. I'm working so that it can do much more, but I hope you find this interesting. I don't know if anybody will watch this. Yeah. GitHub, you can find this on GitHub. I should write my name correct. No, users. There. Yeah, I'm working on it right here, and I will push everything to it so you can learn from it. I hope you found this interesting, and yeah, I hope to see you again. Yeah, that's it.